Karen, the post went up on Friday on the Illinois Republican County Chairman's Association's Facebook page. That post was taken down today after both Democrats and Republicans spoke out against it. The Illinois Republican County Chairman's Association is now apologizing for this Facebook post, calling four Democratic congresswomen the Jihad Squad. The president of the organization saying in part, a couple of days ago, an image which was not authorized by me was posted on the Facebook page. I condemn this unauthorized posting and it has been deleted. Ahmed Rahab is the executive director of the Council on American Islamic Relations, Chicago.
It's one of those things where we're not sorry we said it, we're sorry we got caught. I think they probably believe that they can get away with it.
Both Democrats and Republicans denouncing the post today. The Illinois GOP saying it further divides our nation. The Cook County Democratic Party saying it has dangerous consequences. This all coming as President Trump continues to face criticism for his attacks on the congresswomen. He tweeted last Sunday that they should go back to the countries they came from. Then on Wednesday, these chants at a Trump rally in North Carolina, directed at Minnesota Congresswoman Ilhan Omar. Today, Illinois Congressman Danny Davis coming to their defense.
We think that the president is wrong.
One of the president's top advisors believes the attacks are justified.
These four congresswomen detest America as it exists, as it is currently constructed. They want to tear down the structure of our country.
The Illinois Republican County Chairman's Association says it has a multi-stage approval process for their social media posts. They say they're reviewing that process to make sure content posted represents the big tent nature of the Republican Party.
Hey, if you like that video, be sure to subscribe to our ABC7 Chicago YouTube channel.